Wire connecting cable of electric batch. What about the trachea? No straps. It is connected to the machine, facing the connector. Then the black trachea is inserted outside. The white trachea is inserted inside. Then it means that the next step is to connect the electric batch. Screw on the upper interface. Then insert the trachea in the order of color. Take out the screw tube. There's a black marker line on it. Just plug it in. Plug it into this position. Then plug it in. Connect the valve here. Connect the trachea. Air on. Air pressure display. Power it up again. Turn it on. It lights up. Then the machine starts to run. There are screws coming. Just a quick double click. Double click. He will send the first screw. Then you can hit it normally. Hit it and stop. Pick it up and leave. Leave the product and then release it. Then the second screw.